meaning to make this video for so long, and I wanted to do it as natural as possible. And I actually filmed it yesterday, but I lost the footage because I had to reset my phone, and I'm doing it with my phone camera. So yeah, I wanted to talk to you about one particular thing that everybody needs to do, or at least try it out at least once in their life. And it's for the most beautiful, amazing, glowing and soft, supple skin. And you don't need any makeup product or any skincare, or you don't have to do any DIY or any home remedies for this. Saying that you really don't need anything. You just have to take off some time off of your busy schedule, at least a week or maybe once in every 15 days. That's the best you can do. And what I mean by this is to have afternoon naps. Afternoon naps are the best thing, guys. Afternoon naps are the best, guys. I know, I understand that everybody needs their beauty sleep for like 7 to 8 hours, or maybe 9, depending on how your body functions. That's really important, I get that, because you have to wake up early morning fresh. But then when you have afternoon naps, they are like the best things ever. And this is not something I recently found out or something like that, because I've been doing that since my college time. And I used to come back, and I used to have time off for other classes to begin, and I used to catch up on some sleep. And I realized that doing that, like, not regularly, but then like, yeah, once or twice a week, it really helped my skin, and I felt really good. And it's not just me. I used to ask my friends like, oh, your skin looks great today, what product are you using, or something like that. And she was like, oh no, I just woke up from a quick nap. And I just realized that I'm not the only one, and it actually works for other people as well. So I really want you guys to at least try it out, give it a chance once. And I understand that people are busy and they don't have time for naps and all, but at least, you know, once a while in a weekend or something, try to take off some time and stay home, detox yourself, sleep. For me personally, 1 hour nap is minimum. Like, I can't sleep for some, like, you know, quick naps. Like, I can't take those 15 minutes and 10 minutes naps. But I have known a lot of people who can do that, and if you can, it's amazing. And it's really helpful, and you wake up with an amazing feel to your skin. You can actually touch and feel the skin, and it's just magical how your skin transforms with just you know, a short interval nap. And it's amazing. And I really wanted to share this thing with you guys, and let me know, at least try it out once, and then let me know if it worked out for you or not, because it has done wonders for me and my friends, and it really works. I can give it to you that it does work. And I don't think it's like depending on the kind of skin you have or something, because it's a nap, and everybody needs a nap every now and then, don't you think so? So yeah, I wanted to share this with you guys, and I'll see you guys in another full-fledged video really soon. Till then, please thumbs up if you think I made sense, and if you randomly came across my channel and you have absolutely no idea who I am, please subscribe and check out my other videos. You can find some in the cards, you can find some in the description box as well. And please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one really soon. Bye guys.